Heirloom S1615 shower front frame installation by AH Furnico. Set the small front panel on a work table. The front panels have tinted see-through glass. The bottoms of the front panels have a notched corner. Install the tracks to the panel. The narrow track is on the bottom and the wide track is on the top. We are now installing the narrow bottom track. Make sure that the opening of the track V is facing toward bottom edge. Use 1-inch long, iron screw to attach. Please use magnetically tipped screwdriver to hold the screws. 2 screws are used at each corner. Tighten the screws alternatively. Here is another look. Press the track in position, through the pre-drilled hole on the track. Use 3 30-second drill to drill a pilot hole on the small panel on the bottom. Use 1/4 inch screw to attach, which is the shortest screw. Repeat the same procedure for the top wider track. The top post has one side wall cut off at the end. Use 3/16 drill to drill a pilot hole. The top track doesn't have a pre-drilled hole. Use 5/8 screw, the second longest, to attach. Repeat the same procedure for the big front panel. This is the small track at the bottom. You may use a mallet to tap the track to the position. This is for the panel fixing screw on the bottom track. This is for the panel fixing screw on the top track.